guys, welcome back to my channel. So today for my guest, I have somebody special here, and many of you may know her as Mama Bear. So I have Mama Bear here today with me, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do beachy curls because many of you liked the last video I did. So I'm kind of doing like a step-by-step with a model, my beautiful mother, and just kind of walking you guys through it. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching, and as always, please subscribe to my channel, please give me a thumbs up, and as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.
Baby, you got me thinking about you,
brush it down. You wait. You're gonna climb like this, ignore them.
All right, let's get this going. So first thing you want to do is disperse your hair evenly with some type of heat protector. What I like to use is the Redken 25 Benefits. Then I just grab any type of brush that I have to help me disperse the product evenly throughout the hair. Next, what I do is that I section the hair into a part that I want to start off with, and just grab any clip that you have on hand to hold the top section up. For my first hairspray, what I will be using is the Kenra Platinum Working Spray. And a working spray just pretty much helps you style your hair as you're going for a natural feel. If you'd like something that you want to move around a lot, you can use a working spray. Or if you're trying to do updos and you're trying to get a perfect style, then you can use it as well. Now I just grab my 1.5 inch wand inch piece of hair and just wrap it around the wand. Make sure the wand is holding up because that way the wave will fall very naturally and not so perfectly. Once you have that, you can extend it out or you can just leave it hanging. It doesn't matter because we will be running our fingers through it later. Next, grab another inch and do the opposite side of what you just did. That way, so when all the curls fall, they will fall in different directions and it won't look so perfect because this is a beachy wave. Once you finish that last part, what you do is that you kind of just run your fingers through it very lightly. Grab another hairspray. This is called the finishing spray, and pretty much what it does is that keeps everything that you just worked on intact. Now what I grab is any type of hair tie that I have on hand, and I tie that hair up so that I can work on my next part. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect because it is a wave, so the hair tie won't mess up what you just did. Part your next sections, hold up the top with the clip, and follow the same motion. First, spray your working spray. And then just grab 1 inch and roll it around the wand and follow the exact same pattern that I just showed you previously. Once that's done, just grab your finishing spray. Once again, start spreading your fingers through the curls so that they're not so perfect, and just kind of give it the desired hold that you want with the hairspray. Grab that hair tie and hold all of these curls together after running your fingers through it a couple of times. Now the next part is you getting the type of part that you want. Many of us like it down the middle, some of us like it to the side. My mom personally likes it to the side. So what I did is I did her part, and then I grabbed a comb and I kind of just brushed the hair out so that there is no knots when I'm curling her hair. Grab your clip, hold one section in place, and then work with one side again. I'm making sure that I detangle her hair so it doesn't get caught when I'm doing the wand. I grab the 1 inch, and once again, no order in particular, I just kind of start using the wand in different sections. 1 in, 1 out, 1 in, 1 out. Once again, make sure you spray your curls with your finishing spray and run your fingers evenly so that there isn't perfection, because we're not going for perfection. Perfection does not exist, ladies. Okay, for some occasions it does. Alrighty, now we go to our last section. So what you do, same, in, out, curl, in, out, curl. Follow the exact same thing, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do it. After running that finishing spray through her hair, what I do is that I loosely let all of the curls fall, and now as you see, they look very healthy, hydrated. And next is that I grab a brush that I have on hand and just brush out the curls. Like I mentioned, we're not going for perfection here, so running the comb or your brush through your curls just kind of helps them not look so defined and for them to fall down your face the way that we want it, which is very naturally. Now I run that finishing spray all over it one last time just so that it holds in place all day or all night like I want it to. I don't want these to fall so much. I want them to fall, but not to the point where you can't even tell what I did anymore, you know? And then as the final touch to hold everything in place, I'm using my Nexus finishing mist. And this mist is pretty much just the top coat to everything. It gives it that official shine that I want, and for it just to fall the way I want it to. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.